Good morning, children. I am Mrs. Dipali Yadav. I will teach you maths in class 4th. Now we are doing exercise 1. Then first question is question number 35. Find the quotient and the remainder in each case. It means you have to divide the following. First question is 306 divided by 8. Now we will divide 306 by 8. 8 3s is 24. And then we will subtract 24 from 30. We will get 6, which is smaller than 8. So we will copy the 6 from above and then it will become 66. Now 8 8s are 64. Then 2 is the remainder and 38 is the quotient. Okay, so you will do all these three yourself and like this only, like the first one. Second is 3008 divided by 7. Third is 9917 divided by 9. Fourth is 4000 divided by 6. You have to do these three yourself. Now question number 36. 7 persons together planned a picnic. If they collected rupees 4158 in all, how much was contributed by each person? Means you have to take out the money contributed by one person. How many persons went to the picnic? 7. And they collected rupees 4158. So you will divide 4158 by 7 and then you will get the answer of that how much money is contributed by one person. Question number 37. Write the fraction showing the shaded part in each figure. First figure is a circle and there are 8 parts. Only 3 parts are shaded, so the fraction will be 3 by 8. Now second is a rectangle and it is divided into 2 equal halves. Then each equal half is divided into 6 parts. So you have to write the fraction for this figure, which means total parts are 12 and 3 to 5 are shaded, so 5 upon 12. The third part is a hexagon which is divided into 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 22 23 24. The hexagon is divided into 24 equal parts. And how many parts are shaded there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 by 24. You will write the figure fraction as 9 by 24. Now question number 38. Solve this. You have to solve the fraction of a whole. A is 1 by 3 of 15, which we can solve like this: 1 by 3 into 15. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So answer will be 5. You will write 5 in the blank. Second part is 1 by 4 of 28. You will say the table of 4 and where 28 comes you will cut it and the answer will you will write in the blank. So third is 1 by 9 of 54. You will read the table of 9 and then you will read it till 54. Which number comes, that will be the answer which you will write in the blank. Now question number 39. Add the following. You have to do these yourself. In first one you have to write first rupees and then paisa. Then rupees you have to write below rupees and paisa you have to write below paisa. First is 65 rupees 85 paisa and 19 rupees 20 paisa. You have to add these both. Second is 26 meter 52 centimeter, 17 meter 60 centimeter and 6 meter 25 centimeter. Now you will make 2 columns, meter and centimeter. You will write the numbers with meter below meter and with centimeter. The numbers with centimeter will be below centimeter. Then you will calculate the answer. Question number C. 19 kg 205 grams 22 kg 456 grams, and 28 kg 630 grams. In this you will make two columns, kg and grams, and you will write the numbers with kg below kg and with gram with below gram, and then you will add them. Fourth is 18 liter 175 milliliter, 9 liter 785 milliliter, and 7 liter 80 milliliter. Now in this you have to make two columns, liter and milliliter. Then you will write 18, 9 and 7 below liter, and then in below milliliter you will write 175, 785 and 080, because here they are only 2 digits in milliliter and here they are 3 digits, and 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml, so you will write 080. Okay, then you will add it. Question number 40, subtract the following. Now in this question you have to subtract these, and you will write first the digit which is given after from. जो नंबर फ्रॉम के बाद लिखा है वो पहले लिखेंगे, उसके बाद आप जो फ्रॉम से पहले लिखा है वो वाला उसके नीचे लिखेंगे. ओके, ए इज 17 रुपीज़ 95 पैसा फ्रॉम 26 रुपीज़ 10 पैसा. नाउ यू विल मेक टू कॉलम्स, रुपीज़ एंड पैसा. First you will write 26 and 10, then you will below it you will write 17 and 95, then you will subtract them. Second is 12 meter 46 centimeter from 23 meter and 30 centimeter. In this you will make two columns, meter and centimeter. First you will write 23 meter 30 centimeter, then below it you will write 12 meter and 46 centimeter. C is 14 liter 325 ml from 16 liter. Now here you are not given milliliter, but you will have to make the two columns, liter and milliliter. With 16 you will write 3 zeros under below milliliter, and then below this number you will have to write 14 and 325, then you will subtract them. Question number 41 is fill in the blanks. The month which has neither 30 or 31 days is February. You all know that. Question second part, two consecutive months which have 31 days each are. दो months जो लगातार आते हैं और जिनमें 31 days होते हैं वो कौन से होते हैं? जुलाई एंड अगस्त. The months of the year which have 30 days each are, कौन कौन से months हैं 30 days वाले? अप्रैल, जून, सितंबर एंड नवंबर. Fourth is an ordinary year has 365 days while a leap year has 366 days. Okay. Now last, there are how many years in a decade? 10 years. Question number 42, state whether true or false. A line has no end points. It is true. Ray AB is the same as BA. False, because AB is written like this and BA will be this type arrow. C, a ray has a definite length. False, because a ray can be extended in the direction of the arrow point. D, every square is a rectangle. It is true, because every square has 4 sides which are equal, but in rectangle they are opposite sides are equal only, and each angle is of 90 degree in square and in rectangle also. E, a cuboid has 8 edges and 8 vertices. It is false, because it has 8 edges and 12 vertices. 6 vertices, so it is false. F is a cylinder has 2 edges and 2 vertices. It is also false, because it has 2 edges and one edge and 2 vertices. Sorry, it is a confusion here, but it is false. G, a cone and a sphere have only one edge. It is false, because they don't have any edge. They are circular in shape. H. Each face of a cube is a square. It is true because when we make a cube, it is made up of two squares and then we join the edges of it. Okay, this is your exercise. You have to do this in your fair copies. The questions I have mentioned that you have to do yourself, they will be included in your worksheet. So stay safe, stay home. Thank you.